Hello my fellow composers and welcome to the Composing Cook. Today's recipe is a student special. This isn't about nutrition, this isn't about being healthy, this is about getting something on the table quickly, cheaply, using store-cupboard ingredients. This is perfect before you go out, line that stomach, and after you go out, if you're a bit pissed. So to begin with, I've got a packet of Batchelors super noodles. I've gone for curry flavour, but you can go for whatever flavour you want or any brand you want. What you have to do is you need to cook these according to the packet instructions. Also, I've got 2 pieces of bread which I'm going to toast, so I will put them down now as well. Use whatever bread you like, white or brown, your choice. So the noodles are cooked, as you can see. Lovely, yum, yum. And to that, I'm going to add 2 slices of cooked ham. I'm not going to give you a measurement, just 2 slices or 1 slice, up to you. Perfect. Now my toast, here it is, all prepared. Now I haven't put butter on them because I want them to still be a little bit crunchy. So let's put the noodles on top of both. I've got some extra mature cheddar cheese which I have grated. That goes on top. Again, no need for amounts, just put on as much or as little as you like. Worcester sauce, a few dashes on each. All you have to do now is place this under a hot grill and grill until the cheese is melted and is bubbling away. My fellow composers, take it all in. So there you have it, my fellow composers, my ham and cheese noodles on toast. Students, you will love it. And let me let you into a little secret. You don't have to be a student to eat this. I still eat this even now. It's tasty, it's cheap, it's cheerful. Make it, enjoy it, and you will love it. Mwah!
I see light shine.